To Mason Putnell. Hi, man. I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Hi, Mason and Ashley here from StockUp 42. Although we use animation, this is a serious financial-based channel. We have to legally give this disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. Invest at your own risk and do your own research before investing. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. So I am starting a challenge with myself. I'm going to try to build a stream of passive income with nothing more than a cell phone. I'm going to use crypto earning apps, investing small amounts of money every so often from my job, and I'm going to reinvest what I earn into passive income streams.
Do you really think you can become financially free from doing this?
I honestly think I can. I'm going to show our subscribers some of the apps and system I'm going to use. The system will provide 1% compounding interest every day. I will be posting updates a few times a week, including anything extra, such as donations, or whatever. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Sounds like a great idea. So I'm going to tell everybody about the apps. The first app we will be using is the Coin app. With the Coin app you can earn crypto by walking, playing mini games, taking surveys, and by simply driving with the Coin app open and on Auto Explorer. It will also automatically cloud mine while you sleep if left open. We have the master plan which allows us to earn more coin, but you can earn crypto for free with this app. We will put our special referral link in the description of the video that will start you with 1000 coin. I will put a link in the description of the video showing how you can purchase the master plan, but this trick only seems to work for iOS users.
If you use our referral links, it will help us to speed up the process of becoming financially independent from using a cell phone. If you decide to use the Coin app, Coinbase recently partnered with them, and if you send the crypto you earn to Coinbase, you don't pay any Ethereum gas fees. And you will be doing us both a favor and helping with the challenge if you use our Coinbase referral link. We will both get $10 in Bitcoin when you purchase $100 of crypto. I will be putting links to everything mentioned in the description of the video.
Perhaps you don't want to use either one of these. With the network that offers 1% compounding interest daily, you need to have Binance tokens, which is BNB. Then what better app than Binance.us? They have some of the lowest transaction fees of any other apps. And we do have a special link for the Binance app in the description of the video.
So let's get straight to the awesome network I've been mentioning. The network is called the Drip Network. I've done a lot of research on it before jumping into it. They have been around since April 22, 2021. The Drip Network's faucet is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similarly to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounding, rewards, as well as through team-based referrals.
Yes, they do, but we don't have a referral link for them, and I'll tell you why. In order to start a referral program, you need to have 10 drip to qualify. You also need to purchase 2 BR34P tokens. Now you can get started earning with just 1 drip, and we were currently only able to get about 3.5. With a referral link for the Drip Network you earn more. You get a buddy link, as they call it. You also can only access the network with a buddy link. But don't worry, I will share the buddy link I used, so you can get started if you choose to. Remember, none of this is financial advice, and to do your own research before investing. So why would we share someone else's referral link? We didn't feel that it would be right to keep an opportunity from our community because we didn't have enough money to start our own referral program. We feel that in order to grow a good community, that we need to be as open and honest as possible. As we earn more drip, we will open up our own referral program.
That's right. We could have waited until we got our link, but we care more about our subscribers than to keep them in the dark about such a great opportunity. So I'm going to go over more about the Drip Network. When you buy drip with BNB, you cannot withdraw the initial BNB you bought the drip with. You earn 1% compounding interest on it every day.
Every day you have the option to either hydrate or claim what you have earned. Hydrating is reinvesting the money you earned that day back into drip. Claiming will send what you earned that day back to your crypto wallet. By hydrating your profit, you now have more money to earn that 1% on the next day. So if you continue to hydrate every day, you can potentially earn a living wage over the course of a year. Now this greatly varies depending on how much drip you buy, or how often you hydrate or claim. Now it only takes one drip to get started. At the time of this video, the current drip price is $132. I also suggest you have at least $40 to keep in your wallet for any fees. I will show a quick video on the power of compounding interest so you have an example of how powerful 1% can be. So here's how you can get started with drip. You are going to need the MetaMask wallet, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play. Then you need to send your BNB to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you add the BSC network to your MetaMask wallet. You can do this by clicking the menu button on MetaMask, then click on Settings, then click Networks, then click Add Network and enter these exact settings. You can also find this information by searching Google and typing in BSC network address. If you don't add this network, you will not see your funds in MetaMask or be able to use them. Then you use the MetaMask browser in the menu on MetaMask to get to the Drip network. I'll put a link in the description of the video for you. Quick update, this video has taken a couple days to make. It seems that we do have a buddy link you can use, but it will not give us a referral link until we are able to get to 10 drip and the 2 BR34P tokens. So you will be able to use our link to get you started with drip. Okay, let's continue with the setup. When you get to the Drip network with the link in the description of the video, you should be on the faucet page. Scroll down until you see Get a Buddy section, and add the buddy link if the link in the description doesn't automatically do it for you. Next you need to go to the swap page in the menu. Then go to Buy Drip. It should then ask you if you want to connect to your wallet. Select MetaMask. Then type in how much you would like to buy. I suggest you change the slippage to 1% to save you some money and slowly increase it if you need to. Now that you have bought your drip tokens, you can go to the faucet page to see your investment grow. Look under Available and you will see drip and a equal sign. This will update in real time, and you will be able to either hydrate this amount or claim it. Remember, hydrating it will get you more drip, and claiming it will send it to your MetaMask wallet. Now if you want to get your own referral program, you need to buy 10 drip. Then in the menu section of Drip Network you will see Buy BR34P. Click it. It will take you to PancakeSwap. You will see that it says V1 is no longer supported. Click I understand button. Click Continue to V1. Then click I understand one more time, and continue. Then select BNB in the currency box and type in 2 in the BR34P section and purchase them. Now the referral program is set up where the more BR34P tokens you buy, the more referrals you can claim. Your referral program should now be set up to accept referrals to earn an even higher percentage on your drip. You can also airdrop drip to other referrals by going to the faucet page. Once on the faucet page, scroll down until you see Team Airdrop. You should be able to see your referrals, and pick whichever referral you would like to send drip to. Of course it will take us a while before we get to this stage ourselves, but once we do, we will pick a random person to airdrop to as a thank you for supporting us.
We will put all the links you will need in the description of the video that you will need. You help us with our cell phone challenge by using any of our links. If you choose to donate to the cause, I'll put my Cash App link in the description as well. If you do donate and would like to be mentioned in a future video, please leave me a message. If you like the idea of our cell phone financial freedom challenge, please share our video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media. Please leave us a comment letting us know what you think or if you have any other ideas. This has been Ashley and Mason with StockUp42.
Thanks for being part of the community, and until the next video, let's stock up together.